You might not be the only one having access to your Facebook accounts. Someone might be accessing your Facebook account through another computer or through another mobile devices without your knowledge. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find out if someone else is having access to your Facebook account without your knowledge. And I'm going to show you how to log that person out and advise you on steps to take to protect your Facebook account, okay? So let's go. So this is how to know if someone is having access to your Facebook account through another computer or through another mobile devices without your knowledge. So log into your Facebook account. Tap on this your profile icon. Then scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Scroll down and tap on security and login. So here you will see where you are logged in. Tap on see all to see all the devices that have been used to log into your Facebook account. So as you can see, the one I'm using right now is active now. So these are other devices I have used to log into my Facebook account. So you scroll down and see if there's any device you find suspicious here that you didn't use to access your Facebook account. So tap on this three dots icon in front of that device. Tap on it, then log it out. So this is how you're going to log out any suspicious device you think that have been used to log in or to have access to your Facebook account. So to secure your Facebook account, as we said, prevention is better than cure, is to use two-factor authentication. So tap on this two-factor authentication and choose to either get notification through your phone, through SMS, or you tap on security key to set your security key so that anytime someone tries to log into your Facebook account, you get a notification to give permission or decline, okay?